Today we're going to work on a cost revenue profit function break-even problem. The manager of a bicycle company has determined that the total cost in dollars, C of X, of producing a number of bicycles is given by C of X equals 90X plus 1800, while the revenue in dollars, R of X, from the sale of X number of bicycles is given by R of X equals 150X. Start with part A. What is the cost of manufacturing 14 bicycles in a day? Step 1, determine what you're looking for. We are looking for cost. Step 2, assign a variable to represent what you're looking for. That was given to us in the problem. C of X is cost. Step 3, we're going to translate the English into mathematical statements. Well, they already gave us the formula, so we're going to use C of X equals 90X plus 1800. And in our part A, it tells us that X is going to be 14. That's how many bicycles we're looking to manufacture in one day. Step 4, solve the equation and answer the original question. So we're going to plug in 14 for X. So we're going to have C of 14 equals 90 times 14 plus 1800. And when you simplify that, you get C of 14 is equal to 3060. Now step 5 is to check your answer with the facts presented in the problem. We know this is cost, so it's dollars. Does this make sense with our problem? And yes, it does. And part B, find the break-even point and the cost and revenue at the break-even point. Step 1, determine what we are looking for. We are looking for the break-even point. And then we're looking for the cost and the revenue at this point. And then step 2, we're going to assign a variable to represent what we are looking for. The break-even point is the point at which cost and expenses and revenue are equal. So we're going to say C of X equals R of X, because C of X is cost and R of X is revenue, given to us in the problem above. Step 3, translate the English into mathematical statements. So we're just going to use our formulas and plug those in. So C of X is 90X plus 1800 equals 150X. And now step 4, solve the equation and answer the original question. So we're going to solve these equations. So first we get X is on the same side, so we're going to subtract 90X from both sides. We're going to get 1800 equals 60X, and then get X by itself, divide by 60. 60 is going to, so we're going to have X equals 30. This is bicycles. And this is our break-even point. And so now we're going to find the cost and revenue at the break-even point. We've already determined what we were looking for and assigned them variables. So now let's just plug into their formulas. So we have cost is going to be 90 times 30, which is our bicycles, plus 1800. And this gives us 2700 plus 1800, which is $4,500. That's how much it's going to cost us to manufacture 30 bicycles. And now let's look at revenue. So we're going to do R of 30, so that's going to be 150 times 30. 150 times 30 is 4,500. And these indeed do equal. So we know we have checked our work, both 4,500. So the cost for manufacturing 30 bicycles is 4,500. The revenue from manufacturing 30 bicycles is 4,500. So they equal. So that is our break-even point, is X equals 30 bicycles, and then we have $4,500 for cost and for revenue.